Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The forex CRP promotions will attract users to scam them. The crypto exchange explained that they are investigating the hack. CoinDCX, an Indian-based crypto exchange, was hacked by scammers posting fake CRP promotions on Twitter. Coindex Twitter page is flooded with X promotions, which would attract users with the intention of scamming them. Coin official customer support Twitter account, the crypto exchange explained that they are investigating the hack. Coindex hacked Twitter profile has made it difficult for the crypto exchange to access their account. In addition, CoinDCX notified we are analyzing the possible cause, but in the meanwhile, like we mentioned earlier, do not click on anywhere message. Currently, the scammers are retweeting posts of Ripple's exhausting like Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple on the coin Twitter page. Furthermore, Vitalik Buterin's posts we are also retweeted by these bad actors to make it seem to hacked accounts is legit. The hacks in the crypto world are increasing and creating hard losses. CoinDCX has around followers at the time of writing, which could lead to devastating loss. Early in September, the official YouTube channel of the South Korean government was also hacked by a group of unknown scammers who used it to promote a crypto scam with the image of Elon Musk. Many countries are creating guidance to protect investors against scam because of the rising cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Social media is becoming a hub for scammers to take over the crypto world. The Postcoins is flooded with hack promos after hack on Twitter upload first coin and cryptocurrencies flooded with first after hack on Twitter. Currently, the hacks in the crypto world are increasing and creating hack losses, has around 1 followers at the time of writing, which could lead to the new. One is the creator of Now Bitcoin Crypto Leaders News on Layer 3 figure on retort was their education. Shutting up from its low has gained in value over the last 4 hours, rallying to an intraday high. Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency, now trades at having yet been unable to breach the 20 resistance zone. The Bitcoin relief rally coincides with the recently expressed resolve of miners and BTC hodlers to see the leading asset through the crypto winter. In furtherance of this goal, mining companies, Bitfarms and Marathon Digital are both working to increase their supply by the end of the year. Bitcoiners' long-term demand balance recently surged to a new all-time high. Bitcoin permabull Michelle Saylor, though affected by the crypto winter, has said that his company, MicroStrategy, will continue to purchase Bitcoin. The rise in the number of hodlers doubling down on Bitcoin is a since that investors believe Bitcoin will break out of the winter. Ethereum released despite the SEC claiming gesture over transaction. In a lawsuit filed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commissions against crypto influencer Clan Balina, the regulator agency claimed jurisdiction over transaction involving Ethereum. The lawsuit was filed against Balina for his failure to register his crypto as a security before launching a 2018 initial coin offering. Of significance interest to the larger crypto community is a section of the SEC document which claims the U.S. government has jurisdiction over all transactions. According to the feeling, the government has authority in the case because the it sent to Bali now was validated by a network for NAS and other coins, which are more densely in the United States than in any other country. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.